Hello all my dear students, Hseb Suraj once again in front of you to have. Today I'm going to tell you about an essay from 6th unit of class 12, which is Women's Business. This essay is written by Elaine Cantrop, a teacher, writer and editor. The writer of this essay has presented some famous females and their struggles in the field of business in America. She has presented the power of all these females in the busy life of America. The business females whom the writer has presented here in this essay are quite hardworking. They have done various tasks for the welfare as well as progress of all the females of America. Apart from their business strategies, they have played very vital role in social sectors too. The writer of this essay has presented 7 different business females of America here in this essay. Due to their hard struggles and business policies, they have proved that females can even do anything without any support of males. According to the writer, the successful business females in the history of America are Lydia E. Pinkham, Helena Rubinstein, Elizabeth Arden, Margaret Rudkin, Jenny Gross Singer, Gertrude Muller, Annie Turnbull Mellon. Now, I would like to repeat all these names once again for you to memorize easily. Lydia E. Pinkham, Helena Rubinstein, Elizabeth Arden, Margaret Rudkin, Jenny Gross Singer, Gertrude Muller, Annie Turnbull Mellon. Now, I would like to tell you about the first lady of this essay, who is Lydia E. Pinkham. Lydia E. Pinkham is the prominent woman here in this essay. The writer has presented Lydia E. Pinkham in a very first rank. Lydia E. Pinkham's kind face was shown in the front page of magazine of 1879. She was quite popular figure in America. In that magazine, she was seen advertising the treatment of women's diseases. She was also regarded as a savior of her sex, which means savior of females. She had even done a lot of activities for the welfare of all the females of America. She had invented a local homemade medicine herself. Her medicine was called Lydia E. Pinkham's Vegetable Compound. Lydia E. Pinkham's Vegetable Compound. She had even claimed that her medicine could cure various diseases and problems faced by the females of America. Her medicine had been sold out in high ratio because it had benefited most of the females of America. Apart from selling her medicine, she had even taken interest in social sectors too. She had raised her voice for the sake of females' rights, economic reform and temperance. Lydia E. Pinkham used to encourage most of the females of America. She advised all the females to consult with female doctors. She used to examine females herself and give report along with her medicine to correct their physical problems like inferiority, nervousness, hysteria, etc. She used to encourage most of the females to develop their feminine role in the society and even in the world of masculine commerce. She used to advise as well as counsel females in the issue of marital conflicts. In this way, Lydia E. Pinkham had got successful reputation as well as name and fame in American business during hard labor. Number 2nd and 3rd, Helena Rubinstein and Elizabeth Arden. Both of the females were rivals of each other. Both of the females had successfully run the business of selling cosmetic goods. Both of the females had attracted people's attention by their marriage with European aristocrats. In the year 1909, Arden had started her business of makeup. Besides skincare and cosmetic goods, she had extended her business of ready-made, hairstyle, and custom clothes, etc. She used to give advice to most of the females on nutrition and exercise. In this way, both of the females had got popularity in American business. Now, number 4, Margaret Rutkin. Margaret Rutkin had got popularity through her homemade food item, which was additive-free bread. The bread which she had prepared at home turned out to be the best medicine for most of the people of America. At first, she had used her bread for her sick son who was suffering from asthma. She had even helped most of the females in their problems. Her homemade bread had been consumed by most of the people of America. She had helped to improve her husband's income too. In this way, she had earned reputation in the business of America. Now, number 5th, Jenny Grossinger. Jenny Grossinger was known as Jewish grandma. She was quite popular woman in the city of New York. She had successfully run a hotel in the city of New York. She had been famous for her delicious food items and entertainment in her hotel. Every year she used to serve 150,000 guests in her hotel. By doing hard labor in her hotel, she had got popularity in American business. Now, number 6, Gertrude Muller. Gertrude Muller was the lady who had got popularity through her business of child care products. She had invented a toilet seat for the babies of America in the year 1924. Her product toilet seat had got a lot of popularity during those days. She had sold out toilet seats in a huge number. Through selling toilet seats, she had earned a huge amount of money. In her every product, there was label related with child care. She had written many pamphlets related with child care. Her pamphlets had been used by American doctors. Her pamphlets had been a great help for most of the husbands in the matter of child care at home. By doing hard labor, Gertrude Muller had earned her fine reputation in American business. Now the final one, Annie Turnbull Mellon. Annie Turnbull Mellon was black female capitalist. She had set fine business of hairdressing. She had sold various chemicals that made hair look nice. She had even run a fine school to train people about using her products. Her main intention behind running that school was to uplift the condition of all the black people of America. She had even launched innovative marketing strategies. By doing hard labor, she had earned reputation in American business. So this is all in all about this essay, Women's Business from class 12. Here in this essay, we find business women and their popularity, not only because of their business, but also their involvement in social sectors too. Now, I would like to present you some important questions and their answers, which will help you in your examination. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.